Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and wish you all a very happy new year. Hope this new year brings lots of positivity, happiness, joy, success and good health in your life and your loved one's life. And please to wish the same for me in the comment section. Let me officially welcome you guys to my weight loss journey series. So I have lost weight. So far I have lost 7 kgs and I'm going to share with you in this series how I lost the 7 kgs. Let me tell you that I have yet not reached my target weight, but I am in my journey and I'm going to share with you everything that I did to lose this kgs in a healthy manner by eating roti, dal, chawal, sabzi, all the Indian basic staples. This video is basically an introductory video where I will let you guys know my approach towards weight loss or a healthy lifestyle, and as the video rolls I will unfold to you what can you expect from this series. Yeah, what will benefit you from this series. Yeah, so without further delay, let's get into the video. Before that, if you want to be a part of this weight loss journey, do subscribe my channel by hitting the red subscribe button and the bell button just next to it. Why I decided to lose weight. मुझे लगता है हम सबके पास एक strong why होना चाहिए. We all need a strong why to start anything. It could be anything starting from business to investment to enrolling into a course to weight loss or healthy lifestyle. It could be anything. We need to have a strong why that will motivate us, a strong why that will push us, a strong why that will not allow us to quit. My strong why, मेरा जो strong why था वो है BMI, which is body mass index. Basically, let me explain it to you guys. So एक दिन जब मैं अपनी weighing machine पे खड़ी हुई, my weight was 70 kgs. Yes, and by far this is my highest weight. मेरा कभी इतना ज़्यादा weight कभी नहीं हुआ है. But it happened that my weight was 70 kgs, and after that I did calculate my BMI, and BMI calculate करने के बाद मेरा जो BMI था it was above 28, which was indicating that I am overweight, and not just overweight, अभी मैं obesity की तरफ आगे बढ़ रही हूँ. And that is my strong why. मैंने decide किया उस दिन that no, I have to bring my BMI back to the normal range, which is 19 to 24. If you want to lose weight, please do have a strong why and a strong and pure intention that you can manifest your healthy lifestyle. Please do not do it for anybody. Do not do it to show it to others or to impress your partner or your colleagues or your siblings. Do not do it for anybody. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for your physical health, do it for your mental health, do it to boost your confidence, or do it for any XYZ reasons that's associated with you. किसी और के लिए करने की जरूरत नहीं है, अपने लिए करो. What is more important? Diet or exercise? Gym करना चाहिए या diet करना चाहिए? क्या करना चाहिए? It is a fact that weight loss is 80% diet and 20% exercise. कहते हैं ना, you are what you eat. Talking about exercise, you can run, you can walk, you can jog, you can dance, you can do any form of physical activity that you enjoy. Even if you love to go to the gym or if you want to enroll yourself into the gym, go and do it. Sedentary lifestyle will contribute to only fat in your body, and that's something that you don't want in your life. In simple words, you need to move your body. In my journey of losing 7 kgs, I consume all the Indian staple food like dal, chawal, roti, sabzi. मैंने यही सब खाया है, यही सब खा के मैंने weight loss किया है every day. Also, there are some days, not every day, जहाँ पे मैंने बिरयानी भी खाई है, मैंने पराठे भी खाए हैं, मैंने bread pizza भी खाया है, and still I did not gain weight. I did lose weight because what is very important is eating in moderation. Portion control is very important. Food is not just the calories that you intake. Food is also about the nutrient values that you intake. So a proper balance of fats, proteins, carbohydrates is very important in your diet. जो अपकमिंग एपिसोड है उसमें आपको बहुत तरीके की रेसिपीज का वीडियो मिलेगा जो मैंने खुद अपनी वेट लॉस जर्नी में खा के अपना वेट लॉस किया है. आपको मेटाबॉलिज्म बूस्टर ड्रिंक, फैट कटर ड्रिंक भी मिलेगा एंड also all those cheat meals that I had like biryani, paratha, जिसको खा के मेरा वेट गेन नहीं हुआ है, मेरा वेट लूज हुआ है. मैंने पास्ता भी खाया हुआ है by the way. Like पास्ता खा के भी मेरा वेट लूज हुआ है, वेट गेन नहीं हुआ है. So all those will be there in the upcoming videos. So if you are really interested to know more about my weight loss journey and अगर आपकी new year resolution है to lose some weight, then do subscribe and press the bell icon. I'll meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.